Stop waiting for everyone's schedules to line up. No group chat negotiations, no itinerary compromises. Just you, a bag, and wherever you actually want to go.
2026 is the year to make it happen, and we have 15 destinations that are absolutely perfect for solo travelers. New to solo travel? Start with these. Tokyo, one of the world's largest cities, yet one of the calmest to navigate. Eating alone is completely normal here. Ramen counters and sushi bars are literally designed for one. Next destination in our list is London. Zero language barrier, free world-class museums, and a city that rewards wandering. The tube is easy once you've got an Oyster card. Then Madrid, the street life alone is worth it. This city runs 3 hours later than the rest of Europe, so it always feels alive. You never feel alone in a bad way here. One thing that quietly changed solo travel for good? Free walking tour. Show up, join a small group, get your bearings, and usually leave with a handful of good local tips and maybe a few people to grab dinner with. Enough said, let's keep moving. Traveling on a tight budget? These ones are for you. Chiang Mai, Thailand. A meal at a night market costs under $2. Hanoi, Vietnam. Chaotic for the first 2 hours. Unforgettable after that. Street food, incredible day trips, and a buzzing old quarter. Moving to Tirana, Albania. Still off most travelers' radar, which means it's genuinely affordable, friendly, and not yet overrun. It's Europe's best-kept secret for solo travelers. A great budget destination is Medellin in Colombia. The weather is perfect all year round, it's incredibly affordable, and there's a huge traveler community. Take a local walking tour of Poblado or Laureles in your first few days to experience the city's unique atmosphere. Want to push your comfort zone? La Fortuna, Costa Rica. Volcano views, hot springs, whitewater rafting, ziplining, waterfall rappelling, all within one small town, Queenstown, New Zealand. It looks fake. The mountains, the lake, all of it. It's real. The adventure infrastructure is so smooth, booking things solo is genuinely easy. Reykjavik in Iceland, one of the safest countries on the planet. Parked on a gravel road at midnight in full daylight with zero anxiety. Truly, nothing else compares. And if you want to slow down, Rome. Wander out with no plan and somehow have a full day. The Pantheon, a pizza. Something amazing eaten standing up at a counter. What about Kyoto? Bamboo groves at 8 a.m. before the crowds, temple gardens, quiet back streets. A full day that feels full in a quiet way. Don't forget about Lisbon, sunny, cheap by Western European standards, and friendlier than it has any right to be. And of course, Munich. It's almost annoyingly well organized, which removes half the stress of traveling alone. Plus, the communal tables at the beer gardens make it easy to meet people. Finally, Vienna, a city that built an entire culture around solitude. Sit in a coffee house, order, stay as long as you want. Nobody bats an eye. The fear of solo travel is almost always worse in anticipation than in reality. Pick a city, book the flight. Before you leave, send your plans to someone back home. Download offline maps and figure the rest out when you land. And if you're looking for a good place to start in any of the cities on this list, check out Freetour.com, which offers free walking tours led by locals in over 140 countries. It's genuinely one of the best first moves you can make on day one. Which destination are you going solo in 2026? Drop it in the comments.